California buckwheat, Erigonium fasciculatum, is a common shrub in Southern California canyons and chaparral. This is one of the first plants learned by many budding naturalists. The scientific name means woolly jointed with leaves in bunches. The 12 to 39-inch plant blooms for 6 months beginning in May, ending in October. The flowers are white or pink, very small, with stamens that have pink, white, or gray anthers. California buckwheat, Erigonium fasciculatum, is a common shrub in Southern California canyons and chaparral. The scientific name means woolly jointed with leaves in bunches. There are several varieties. You need to be a botanist to identify those differences. The Jepson map of its distribution shows us natives growing from Marin County to the Mexican border. It does continue on south of the border. The 12 to 39-inch plant blooms for 6 months beginning in May, ending in October. The flowers are white or pink, very small, with stamens that have pink, white, or gray anthers. Blue and hair-streaked butterflies nectar on the dense umbels, so very full of flowers. Ants, flies, and loads of other insects walk across the flower patches, helping with the pollination of buckwheat. This plant is a prolific source of seeds. A yield of 300 pounds of seed per acre is not unusual. This pioneer plant is often seen in dry canyons after fires before the larger shrubs return. It is planted as a conservation plant and does well in difficult soils such as those containing serpentine. It has become a cultivar and is successful in our area in becoming a showy bloom, especially in xeriscape gardens. It survives with little water and is native to this climate zone. There is a commercial website selling California buckwheat seed flour for making tortillas. The ethnobotany of the Cohia indicates the Indians drank a leaf tea for stomach pains and headaches. A hot tea was made of the roots for throat and cold problems. A poultice of hot roots was used for cuts and bruises, and a protein in the plant family is good for the heart. This is one of the first plants learned by many budding naturalists because of its long bloom cycle and commonplace existence in the chaparral from the coast into the foothills and mountains. California buckwheat, Erigonium fasciculatum.